but you know, we gotta go a separate way. I don't know what's in there, but it just gives my hair a lot of... But we're going to refresh the edges, okay? It looks brand new.
From you wake up every morning, use a winner, yeah.
Yeah, we're attempting to do mini twist yet again. 3 days later, and we're done. I'm gonna keep you guys updated, okay? It's been a little over a week, well, for a few strands since this took me about 3 days. Let me take it down so you guys can see. The hair is stale, very stale, especially the hair in front. That was expected. The hair hasn't locked yet though. Emphasis on yet. Will it? Will it not? I don't know. And the hair still looks good. It's still moisturized, but we're going to refresh the edges, okay? So I'm gonna take out some pieces in the front to retwist, and I'm also gonna make some twists in the front a lot bigger. I can turn these 2 twists into 1 along with these 2. So I'm just going to unravel and retwist, and I don't have to add any product because I did refresh my hair about 2 days ago. Well, my ends, I did braid the roots in the front, so I have to be very careful when I unravel because I don't want any breakage. So I'm just taking out the shed hairs. Gonna use a brush to help with that. Gonna use some edge control on the edges. I'm braiding the roots in the front. It just makes them look a lot neater, and then back to twisting. And that's all I'm gonna do for the front. I'm gonna show you guys a couple in each section, and then we're gonna see what my hair looks like at the end. Morning guys, this is the next day. No, I refreshed my hair yesterday, right? Sorry guys, the sun didn't do anything to the edges at all, and I just kept it in the bun. To teach my class, I'm gonna have to take it down because of my hat. Gotta go to work. I'm on time though, very on time, so let's go. A very unflattering angle. Just got to work. I can't see y'all. Can you see me? Oh. Okay, wait. Look at my hair real quick. Still moisturized. And especially after doing the front, it looks brand new. It's gonna go into a low bun. Bringing it low so my hat can fit. Good morning guys, work day. So let me show you guys how I refresh my ends real quick. You guys saw how I refreshed the front. By the way, another week has gone and this is what the front ended up looking like. I just sweat a lot, okay? And the heat, woo, the place just get hot one time. Xtreme curl activator, Xtreme gel. Let's take this down. Another reason that my hair doesn't lock up on each other is because I usually have it in the bun that you just saw. At work, low bun, mid bun. At home, high bun. But the hair is still moisturized, guys. I do it section by section, but big sections. This usually doesn't take much time at all. I'm gonna go in with that first. Focus mainly on the ends. The curl activator adds in some juice. I don't know what's in there, but it just gives my hair a lot of... Well, first of all, the first ingredient is water. It's good that I don't have to spray my hair down with water first. Just use a product that contains water and some extra ingredients. And now we're going to go in with the Xtreme, a thicker holding gel. Use a bigger section and break it down if I want to make sure I get the ends. And y'all, just like that, the hair looks brand new. Minus the edges that are sweated out, but that's okay. Time for these twists to be out the door. It's week 4. I had these twists in for 4 weeks, y'all. Y'all know what is 4 weeks for me? That's a long time. To be honest, this can go for another month. For real. All I would have to do is refresh the edges again, because my hair still looks and feels good. And I think if I did wear them for another week, I would have washed them and just re-moisturized and redid some of the twist, and we could have been going for another week. But my birthday week is coming up and I want to do something different with my hair. If it wasn't for that, y'all, these twists would have stayed in. And my hair isn't locking or anything because the moisture routine is top notch, and I showed you guys in the previous clips. So that's what has been preventing my hair from locking, because my hair is moisturized. Sorry that I can't stop touching my hair, guys, but that's how good my hair still feels. But I did refresh them last night. The moment you guys have been waiting for, we're going to unravel the twist. Some of y'all need to bring that ass and come over and help me, but y'all just watching, so let's unravel. 3:33. Remember that time, please. I may forget. Never the right time to say goodbye, but you know we gotta go a separate way. Ace. I'm procrastinating because I really liked the ease of not having to do my hair, especially during the week. Just put it up in a bun and my hair is okay. The hair has been okay, but the fact that we gotta let these go, okay, we go. Let's unravel. I'm gonna do section by section. I'm gonna start on this side. Actually, hold on. I'm just gonna put all the hair up, wrap the ponytail, hold that around 2 times loosely though, and we're just gonna pull down. First one, yeah, it's hot. Hold on. I have to tell you guys, bye in a sec so I can turn on the fan. Wow, I'm really gonna unravel. Since I didn't twist all the way down to the end, all we just gotta do is pull apart. And we didn't twist the roots, but we didn't braid the roots either. When I did redo them, I did braid the roots in the front, so this one has a braided root, so just gonna have to take my time. But y'all saw how fast that was to unravel. If this wasn't braided at the roots, it would have just been like kroong, kakoo, and then we're done. But see, that still wasn't too bad. One down. I'm not about to count the rest to go, but many more to go. Just pull. This is what I mean by kroong. Hold on. Kroong. The roots is kind of knotted a little bit. I can go a step further and unravel the unraveled section some more, just so when it's time to detangle, I'm not ripping at my hair. Oh, if you've been on TikTok, this is the paintball bruising that I was telling you guys about. Still healing, but this whole side of my arm was purple. Back to programming. This is probably gonna take like an hour and a half the most. Oh, this one is not as easy. The roots are a little knotted. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Are we locking at the root? I thought you're supposed to lock at the end first. I gotta leave, y'all. So this is how much I have left, and it's been 2.5 hours. Like, let me take this down to show you guys. Boom. Probably most likely gonna do the rest off camera. Bye.